Hey everyone, so today I wanted to just show you all how I make my own homemade reed diffuser. Someone just gifted me this one right here and it got over pretty quickly in like a week, but the bottle was so pretty and the wooden reeds were actually still really nice and they looked as good as new. So I thought I'll just walk you all through how I actually refill this with my own solution. It's pretty easy. You just need a carrier oil. So this one is like a grapeseed oil, but you can also use sweet almond oil. And you need some kind of container to basically just pour that and pour it in. And obviously you have to take out the sticks when you pour it in. But yeah, and also you need some kind of essential oil that you wouldn't mind being pretty strong in your room. So for me it's lavender, but you can also, if you're good with blending oils, you can also blend a couple and see how that works out. So I'm just going to walk you all through how I do this. You would basically need about 70% carrier oil and about 30% of your essential oil. So I would say add about maybe 30 drops. That would be my estimate. And you can obviously make it stronger or lighter depending on your preference, and some people get headaches if it is too strong, so it really depends on you. So yeah, I think this one has gotten pretty potent and nice, and now all you need to do is stick your reeds inside your vase or your glass container, and then what you can do is just mix it up a little bit and flip it over. Just be careful with this because it's going to be really strong right now. And voila, that's it. That's pretty much what it will look like, and it will keep this diffusing scent through the day, and you're good to go. And it's totally sustainable. It is recycled. It's made from really low cost items that you can buy off Amazon or that you might just have lying around at home. So yeah, please try it and let me know if you guys like this DIY. Okay, bye.